easy and safe way to go about uncoiling a bandsaw is to grab 2 loops in one hand, the 3rd loop in the other hand, and spread them out. Now I'm going to find the combo. I want to find the combo that puts this crossing point underneath that 3rd loop. And in this case, it's half over and half under. So that's not the one I want. So I just close it up, grab another loop, and it has, you see, that puts that cross point above that 3rd loop. That's not what I want. So let's try a different one. Let's try this loop. Alright, and here we go. So the cross point comes out from underneath of this 3rd loop. Now I grab the 3rd loop and this loop, just like that, hold them together and let go of the other hand. That spreads the blade out like that. And from that point, I just simply open up. And there it is. Alright, I am holding it, I don't know, a 1/3 or so. Okay, teeth up, twist in, and bring your hands in just like that. Okay, so down, in, and you're done. Okay, down, in, okay, one more time. Twisting in like that, bringing your hands in just like that, and you're all set. The blade's coiled.
If you like what I do on this channel, you can show your love and support by clicking the Support This Channel button on the right-hand column of my channel's home page. Any and all contributions are strictly voluntary and very much appreciated. Thank you and have a wonderful day.